Connection?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. Huh? I'm saying sorry about what happened.
There's
No,
no,
you know
way
what,
you're going to say sorry, but I've seen mistake.
You know what? I'm so sorry about this. Just forgive me.
Okay, it's fine.
One regular.
No, it's fine.
Not chance, guys. You know what? One regular.
Yeah, I'm calling.
Yeah, you know what, guys? Yeah, we are trying to make yeah. There's some other ways that I'm going to use. I just want to figure out if you know Shona. Have you ever heard about language called Shona? You never interacted with Shona, guys. Huh? But there's someone can Z, come here, Z, come here. Come here. Come here. You're not ready. If you're not ready, I'll call you later on. Okay, guys. Yeah, we wanna create no Zatana Kanyarara, guys. And we have been idle for a long time. Yeah, I think my productions in Mapis Ramona last year, but now we wanna come up with different languages and Togo Gazirai, Zitra, and we are creating. Why are you running away? Come here. Okay, what's your name?
My name. It's Bushle. Yeah.
Like yo.
It's Mbali.
Okay, so guys, we in Dimbalu, Antika. Mchamuona Pama Productions. Okay, guys, we have a new channel that we are working on. New productions. Atukudaza True Gazara, guys. So tukunkumbirisa kuti muti supportewo. As per the TV fans, guys, we combining my languages and my languages so that we come out with one production with the different languages. So my languages I'm one more productions akasiana guys. But what I want you to do, guys, go and subscribe to our new channel. Screen up, guys. And we have so many languages that we are going to introduce. But what is Shona? I'm teaching them Shona. But there's someone Shona. Can you come? Can you come?
Hello.
Okay, what's your name? Tell the viewers your name.
So, Minuku Congolese.
So you see, guys, we want out my languages. The languages. You see the mixture of languages. Tell them your language. Say something.
Ifilme tunanza sasa. Ifilme tunanza sasa. This is that itemibamba. It's like
wait, guys. You see, we are trying to combine languages. With these guys, we want to combine languages, guys. So we want you to subscribe to our new channel. Okay, go on.
Jinangu ni Sami. Ifilme tu unafanya hapa ni ya kusema that kubantu bawili. Ne? Like
so you see I know it's fine. It's fine like that. You see, guys, we are going to work so many productions that we are going to you can go behind the scene. I've introduced you. So which languages do you speak?
Okay, I'm Xhosa, but
Zulu. Yeah. What about Tswana?
Yeah, I do. I'm not comfortable.
You're not comfortable with
Yeah,
Tswana?
I'm not.
But I know Tswana than you.
Yeah, I know Tswana, but can I speak Zulu?
Zulu.
Yeah.
Okay. Another character. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. You see, one moto. Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, it's your boy CK. Full name Shadrach. Acting name Michael. So yeah, I'll be speaking English fluent.
So you see, we are combining languages. We are combining language. Hey, but there's someone who is missing here. I don't know if she's ready. So we tinema characters akawanda. Maybe vakapindira muvi mchaona vachikumhoresa ine language. Amena vachigona language. Guys, so turungokumbirisa, guys. Can you guys go and subscribe to our new channel? We are working on a new production. Can you come and introduce yourself?
Hello.
Can you greet them in Shona?
Masarasei.
Greet again.
Masarasei. What did I say back after saying Masarasei? Something like that. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi.
Okay, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Okay, hi guys. Ndimadegwani yabutsi kakadzi yanga. Okay, so I'm Taweka, aka Z. The
Your
main
languages
character.
that you're going to use in the productions.
Okay, I'm actually multilingual, but then I'll be using either Tswana or Zulu. If not Zulu, then Xhosa, but then yeah. That's it.
Okay, tell them about the production that we are working on. What's the name of the production that we are working on?
Okay, so we're basically working on things we do for love. This is actually sort of reality because it's based on things that happen between two couples daily, the ups and downs, the good times and the bad times. Hopefully you guys will like it. What did I say in Shona? Timotana? Is it right though? I don't know.
Nana.
Yes, right.
You see,
Yes,
you see. So guys, Teenage Watu got the right. So I'm appealing for you guys to tell other people, to tell South Africans to come and subscribe to this channel. Audience, they didn't show us guys, but now we wanna also divert. When also we want you guys to go and subscribe to this channel. And guys, Teenage Watu got the right. But for the meantime, we just say thank you guys for your time. Go and subscribe for the meantime. See you.
Yeah, bonga. Thank you.